Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to complete Binance KYC. Completing KYC verification on Binance is essential for using certain features, such as higher withdrawal limits and participating in trading. Here's how to complete the KYC process on Binance. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Binance. Make sure that you are logged into your account. You can click on the Verify Now button, which is at the home screen, or you can also go to your dashboard and click on Verify Now button. Now click on Verify Now button. After that, you need to verify your identity. Click on Continue button. Now you can select your country by clicking on this drop-down box. After that, you can select your document type. Now click on Continue button and you need to upload your ID card. Click on Continue and you can upload your picture of ID card from your camera. You need to hold your ID card like this as shown in the figure above. You can also continue using your phone. After submitting, Binance will review your application. This can take anywhere from few minutes to a few days, depending on volume of application. You will receive a notification via email or through the application once your KYC application is approved or if any additional information is needed. So that is how you can complete Binance KYC. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.